The Canon EOS 5 South African RAND is a professional-grade full-frame mirrorless camera that has garnered acclaim for its high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus capabilities, and robust video features. Here's an in-depth look at its performance and features. Image quality and sensor performance. Equipped with a 45-megapixel full-frame dual-pixel CMOS sensor, the EOS R5 delivers exceptional image quality with impressive detail and dynamic range. Its high ISO performance is notable, producing clean, noise-free images up to ISO 800, with minimal noise at higher settings like ISO 3200 and ISO 6400, especially when post-processed. Video capabilities. The EOS R5 stands out with its ability to record 8K RAW video at up to 29.97 fps and 4K video at up to 119.9 fps, both in 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. This makes it a versatile tool for videographers seeking high-resolution footage. Autofocus and performance. The camera features Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, offering 100% coverage with 5,940 selectable points. It excels in tracking subjects, including humans and animals, thanks to machine learning algorithms. Build quality. The EOS R5 boasts a 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD. Its build quality is solid, offering weather sealing for durability in various shooting conditions. Overall, the Canon EOS 5 South African RAND is a versatile and powerful camera that caters to both photographers and videographers seeking high-reso,